If you've ever admired a home with elegant, arched windows that instantly convey sophistication and timeless beauty, you are likely looking at Palladian Windows. Known for their distinctive design and classical roots, Palladian windows have remained a choice for homeowners who want to bring a sense of history, charm, and architectural refinement into their living spaces. So, what exactly are Palladian windows? A Palladian window, sometimes called a Venetian window, features a large central arched window flanked by two smaller rectangular windows on either side. This three-part design creates a balanced, symmetrical look that draws the eye and adds a sense of grandeur to both the interior and exterior of a home. The origins of Palladian windows date back to the 16th century and are inspired by the work of Italian architect Andrea Palladio. His designs focused on harmony, proportion, and classical Roman influences, all of which are reflected in the structure of Palladian windows. Over time, this style became a defining feature of classical architecture and continues to be widely used in traditional and upscale home designs today. One of the main reasons Palladian windows are so popular is their ability to make a bold visual statement. The large central arch creates a striking focal point, often becoming the highlight of a room or facade. Whether installed in a living room, entryway, or above a staircase, Palladian windows instantly elevate the overall design and add a sense of luxury that's hard to replicate with standard window styles. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, Palladian windows are also valued for the amount of natural light they bring into a home. The expansive central pane allows sunlight to pour in, while the side windows enhance brightness and create a more open, airy feel. This not only improves the ambiance of your interior but can also make rooms appear larger and more inviting. Another reason homeowners are drawn to Palladian windows is their versatility in classic architectural styles. They are commonly found in colonial, Georgian, and neoclassical homes, where symmetry and proportion are key design elements. However, Palladian windows can also be incorporated into transitional or even modern homes to add a touch of timeless elegance without overwhelming the overall design. Palladian windows also contribute to increased property value. Because of their distinctive look and association with high-end architecture, they are often seen as a premium feature. Potential buyers tend to appreciate the added character and natural light these windows provide, making them a worthwhile investment for homeowners planning to sell in the future. From a functional standpoint, Palladian windows can be customized to suit your needs. While the central arched section is typically fixed, the side windows can often be designed to open, allowing for ventilation. This combination of beauty and practicality ensures that you're not sacrificing comfort for style. Maintenance is generally straightforward, especially when modern materials like vinyl or fiberglass are used. These materials offer durability and resistance to weather, helping your windows maintain their appearance and performance over time with minimal upkeep. Ultimately, Palladian windows are more than just a decorative feature. They are a reflection of classic design principles that have stood the test of time. Their graceful curves, balanced proportions, and ability to enhance both light and space make them a favorite among homeowners who appreciate elegance and architectural detail. If you're looking to add a touch of classic sophistication to your home, Palladian windows offer a perfect blend of history, beauty, and functionality that continues to captivate homeowners generation after generation.